Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on locking apps on iPad OS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The ability to lock apps with Face ID is a new feature of OS 18. It is a great feature and is super helpful to use if other people use your iPad and you don't want them to be able to access certain apps. To lock an app with Face ID, hold down on the app until a menu appears. Then tap Require Face ID. Tap Require Face ID on the pop-up. That app will now require your Face ID to open. If your face is not recognized, then you can enter your iPad password to unlock the app. To remove the Face ID lock, hold down on the app again and choose Don't Require Face ID. Your iPad will then use Face ID to verify it's you before it removes the Face ID lock from the app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.